Oh, fish!
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going kayak fishing with my wife. Well, I just started fishing not too long ago, and honestly I still haven't caught a thing yet. Right now I'm throwing with a deep diving crankbait that goes down around 20 feet, hoping to find something hanging out deeper in the water. Well, at the same time, my wife's got a shallow crankbait working on the upper part of the water. So we are kind of covering different depth trying to figure out where the fish are hiding today. Well, we're still waiting for that first bite.
Oh, fish! Oh!
So I cast it and move around a few spots, but still no bite. At this point, I'm thinking to think my reel is running too deep, and it's night now. Maybe the fish are sitting shallow. I guess I was fishing under the whole time. Well, right now the mosquitoes are all out in full force. I'm not even kidding. There are like hundreds of them swarming us. So, yeah, we are getting eaten alive out of here. And it's time to call it a night and head back. I'll be back out soon. Hopefully I can catch my first fish. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click subscribe if you like this video. I'll be posting every Friday afternoon.